There we are. So we've got the Carolina Reaper, and we are going to do a little pulverizing here. There we are. I'm sure I can see everything. Okay, there we are. So, make sure that I can see. So, there we are. So, we are going to flatten this sucker out. Alright, sorry, there's a little bit of water in there, and I don't want that water in there. Sorry, these stone things can get water within their cracks and everything. So, alright, here we go. Let's take a look here. Oh, we're good. Okay. So, put them in there. Let's see what we got going on here. Oof. It's already in my nose and didn't even do anything. Okay. Wow. It's so strong. I need to get a face mask or something when doing this next time. Now remember with horseradish, oh my god, that's strong. Now remember with horseradish, the finer you make it, the hotter it is. If you eat horseradish regularly, it just tastes regular. But if you can make horseradish, this is the Carolina Reaper. So this is a Reaper, and it still has a little bit. I'm keeping a couple of these on until next week, so they gotta dry them for about a week, I think. That should really, because you can see there's still a little bit of moisture in there. I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna smash up one more. Give me a second. I want to get into my hands. This stuff's. Whew. I don't think people realize how potently strong this stuff is. So, there. So we're gonna put two more in there. Take off the stem. Okay. Now what I'll do a couple of these as they dry out, I'll get the seeds, and then we'll plant the seeds next year. So, I'm gonna see what all that looks like inside. Looks good, I guess. And then a couple are also going to go out for planting. So, you know, if I lived in warmer climates, I would be able to grow these, but instead I have to do them inside. So I'm going to do a grow thing. So look at those. Oh my god, that's strong. And then what I'm doing, I'm making this into my own powder. Oh my gosh. Like I said, this is not something you want to mess with. This is, I'm going to do this a couple times. I'll put it in some other things, and you got to get it as, it'll take a machine to get it even finer. I'm talking about so fine that, oh, right now it's, you can probably make it a powder form. People like hot stuff. This is just crazy hot. There we are. So, that's my muddler. You don't want to get this on your skin. Alright, there we are. Alright. You don't get it. I can smell it. My head's like, I'm not doing this the way you would think because, man, it's just nasty hot. I can feel it, and it's not even on me. Well, it probably is now the more I make it into a powder shape. But when you get it, then I can add it stuff appropriately and get the right amount of heat on it. Alright. So, this is just one of many, many peppers. And there's still some, they're not all the way ready yet. Alright. So, what I'll do now. Alright, that should be good for right now. Man, that better not be breaking. That's breaking. I'm gonna be in trouble. I think my muddler's starting to break. It's not very strong. I have to get a new muddler. Okay, let me get that one and put this in now. I don't even keep it with the rest of the food. I don't need it going everywhere. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in here, and hopefully, I'll clean that off myself. Get that in there. That's good enough. So, all the air out. Alright. I'm going to do one more now. We're going to do it live. So, that is even with the seeds and everything, so we'll be alright. Alright, shall we do one more? I think we shall. Alright, let me go ahead and